6 Practical Ways to Cultivate a Millionaire Mindset. Remember that TV show, Who Wants to Be a Millionaire? Well, maybe it's not as out of reach as you might think. With some determination and canny thinking, you can achieve millionaire status if you want to. Here are 6 practical ways you can reach your goal of being a millionaire. 1. Focus on your goal. You can pretty much achieve whatever you want if you really set your mind to it and make it your priority. Most people probably think being wealthy or a millionaire is impossible. But if you make wealth your front and center goal and play to win, you can do it. 2. Set some clear goals. Probably become a millionaire is insufficient as a goal. Set yourself some attainable, short, and medium-term goals to build some momentum and get some successes under your belt. Set some small goals for your first month, 6 months, and year to start building the foundation of your journey to becoming a millionaire. Slow and steady not only wins the race, but it will also build your confidence. 3. Learn frugality and how to invest. Wealthy people are not big spenders, no matter what the media says. They don't have the latest gadgets, and they don't do retail therapy. If you reward yourself with paycheck treats, stop right now. Take the money you would have spent on new shoes or a new phone and invest it. 4. Invest in yourself. Learn to see professional development and eviction as a sound investment. Grow your skill set, your experience, and your knowledge. Successful people are continually learning and growing. Make your development an investment priority. 5. Aim high. If you want to succeed in capital letters, you need to think big and aim high. Make your ultimate goal your biggest desire, whether it's being CEO of your own multinational company, being a best-selling author, or an investment guru. All those small goals need to be stepping stones to your big success. 6. Get used to the limelight. You will absolutely not become a millionaire if you're too much of a shrinking violet. To be a success, you need to be able to engage with people to promote yourself and sell your product. If you're an introvert, part of your self-investment strategy should be about building your presenting and interpersonal skills. Learning to look and sound successful is key to becoming successful. You need to look and sound the part, and before you know it, you'll be there. Confident, successful, and a millionaire.